Okay, question 34 looks like a 35 and 36, so this should cover for those two questions. It says a company has budgeted to make 240,000 units. And so they take you through, hopefully, please read this, of course, pause this and read this. And so what we're going to do is that we're just going to take step by step. You can see here we have a labor budget here, and then we have a raw material budget, and then we have some work to do on quality control. And so let's look at the situation. It says, first of all, is telling us that each unit takes 1.5 labor hours to make. So you want to make 240,000 units. Each unit takes 1.5 labor hours. So let's do that first. 240,000 times 1.5 labor hours. So you need 360,000 labor hours. That's what you need, right? 360 labor hours. That's what you need. Excellent. Great stuff. And it says the company, so because they've asked us for labor first, the company employs 198 workers, and each worker does in normal time 1,750 in a year. So we're doing this is all in a year analysis. So we have 198,000 times 1,750. So we see that we have available to us 346,500 hours. That's what we have available. So there is labor available to make. So I suppose if you have 346,500 labor hours and it takes you 1.5 hours to make a unit, right? Because these are the total hours you have, and if it takes you 1.5 hours to make one unit, you just need to divide 346 by the 1.5 to find the number of units you can make in normal time. And so therefore, you can make this 346 divided by 1.5, you can make 231,000 units in normal time. So we have an outstanding, we need hours to make. We need 360,000 hours. We have 346,500 available, and therefore we need 360,000 minus 346,500. We need 13,500 additional hours. 13,500 hours of overtime is what we need as well. Okay, great stuff. So I'm just going to sort of, again, like I said, this is all recorded, so you can you can watch this again. So I can erase this to give myself space. So right, let's look at the next bit here. Just clearing this up, cleaning this up, cleaning all of this up. Yes, and so we have here the next situation where it says here that what we have here is that, let's look at the raw materials this time. So it says that each unit requires 2.5, we're just going through the same process, 2.5 kilograms of raw material. So therefore, 240,000 units will require 2.5 kilograms times 240,000, which is 600. So you need 600,000 kilograms of raw materials to make this happen, right? To make this happen. It says here that a contract has been placed to purchase 500,000 kilograms of raw materials. So if you need 600,000 kilograms and you have a contract currently, you will need another 100,000 kilograms, right? But let's just look at what they want us to say. The raw material contract will provide enough material to make. So given that this is what your raw material contract is, and you need 2.5 kilograms per unit, that leaves you, that's 500,000 divided by 2.5. So you currently have enough raw material to make 200,000 units, right? And you need, like we can see here, you need 100,000 kilograms extra as well, if you like to do that. Okay, great stuff. So it says here that the quality control can test 18,000 units each month. So that's each month. And so therefore, for 12 months, we have 18,000 times 12, 18,000 times 12 takes us to, so they can test 216,000 units each year. So, well, if you're going to be producing, if the aim was to produce 240,000 units, right? You want to produce and sell 240,000 units. You will need, so the answer here is quality control can do 216,000 units a year. So, and your aim is 240,000. You will need the difference, which is 240 minus 216, which leaves us with 24,000. So you need to make alternative arrangements with 24,000 units. Cool, great stuff. Hopefully that's been helpful. You will see that this question mirrors, so that's 34. Then we have 35. We have 36. Yeah, and there we are. I think, let me look at this one. This question here, there was a labor question here on labor hours. 31, 25 staff. Let's look at this one, 20. That mirrors this question, 37. So you can use that to study up on that, and that mirrors 38. So technically we have covered all the areas up till question 38. Okay, great stuff.